Kinds of jurisdiction. Jurisdiction of a court may be classified under the following categories. The first one is civil court and criminal jurisdiction. Civil jurisdiction is that which concern a deal with dispute of a civil nature. Criminal jurisdiction, on the other hand, relates to crime and punishes offenders. Territorial or local jurisdiction. Every court has its own local and territorial limits beyond which it can exercise its jurisdiction. These limits are fixed by the government. The district judge has to exercise jurisdiction within his district and not outside it. The High Court has jurisdiction over the territory of safe state within which it is situated and not beyond it. Again, a court has no jurisdiction to try a suit for immovable property situated beyond its local limits. The third one is pecuniary jurisdiction. The code provides that a court will have jurisdiction only over those suits the amount or value of the subject matter of which does not exceed the pecuniary limits of its jurisdiction. Some courts have unlimited pecuniary jurisdiction, that is, high courts and district court have no pecuniary limits. But there are other courts having jurisdiction to try suits up to a pecuniary amount. Thus, a presidency small cause courts cannot entertain a suit in which the amount claimed exceed Rs 1000. Jurisdiction as to subject matter. Different courts have empowered to decide different types of suits. Certain courts are precluded from entertaining certain suits. Thus, a presidency small causes court has no jurisdiction to try a suit for specific performance of a contract, partition of immovable property, foreclosure, or redemption of a mortgage. Similarly, in respect of testamentary matters, divorce case, probate proceeding, insolvency proceeding, only the district judge or civil judge senior division has its jurisdiction. Original and appellate jurisdiction. Original jurisdiction is jurisdiction inherited in or conferred upon a of first instance. In the exercise of that jurisdiction, a court of first instance decided suits, petition, or application. Appellate jurisdiction is the power or authority conferred upon a superior court to rehear by way of appeal, revision, etc. of causes which have been tried and decided by a court of original jurisdiction. Municipal courts, courts of civil judges, small cause courts are having original jurisdiction only, while district court, high court have no original as well as appellate jurisdiction. Exclusive and concurrent jurisdiction. Exclusive jurisdiction is that which confers sole power on one court or tribunal to try, deal with and decided a case. No other court or authority can render a judgment or give a decision in the case or class of case. Concurrent or coordinate jurisdiction is jurisdiction which may be exercised by different court or authority between the same parties at the same time and over the same subject matter. It is thereof upon a litigant to invoke jurisdiction of any of such court or authority. General and special jurisdiction. General jurisdiction extends to all cases compromised with a class or classes of causes. Special or limit jurisdiction, on the other hand, is jurisdiction which is confined to special and particular or limited causes. Legal and equitable jurisdiction. Legal jurisdiction is a jurisdiction exercised by a common law courts in England, while equitable jurisdiction is a jurisdiction exercised by equity courts. Courts in India are courts of both law and equity. Municipal and foreign jurisdiction. Municipal or domestic jurisdiction is a jurisdiction exercised by municipal court, that is, courts in a country. Foreign jurisdiction means jurisdiction exercised by a court in a foreign country. A judgment rendered or decision given by a foreign court is a foreign judgment. The last one is expounding and expanding jurisdiction. Expounding jurisdiction means to define, clarify and explain jurisdiction. Expanding jurisdiction means to extend, enlarge or extend the jurisdiction. It is the duty of the court to expound its jurisdiction. It is, however, not proper for the court to expand its jurisdiction. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon, turn on all notifications.